Hi everyone, myself Supriya Pasnur, working as an assistant professor in Civil Department from Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. Today's class we are going to discuss the parking space requirement for the passenger vehicles. These are the learning outcomes. At the end of this session, learner will be able to impart the knowledge of the parking space requirement for the passenger vehicles. So this is the standard dimension of a car. So length of the car, it is around 4.5 meter, whereas the width of the car, it is 1.8 meters. So leaving the space for the opening of the doors and all. So overall the length of the parking which will be left for the space which is left for the parking will be around 5 meter by 2.3 meter. So here you can see this is the wheel base, that is around 2.3 meter, and the length which is left for the overall length of the car, it is 4.5 meter, and the front overhang, it is 0.85 meters, whereas the rear overhang, it is around 1.35 meter, whereas the height of the car, it is around 1.65 meters. So the ground clearance, it is around 12 mm. So overall the space which will be left for the parking will be around 2.3 meter in the width, and 5 meter will be the length of the car. This is the standard dimension which is provided for the car in the parking space. So the minimum size of a parking space needed, it should be around 5 meter by 2.6 meter. So here you can see this is the width of the road, and the cars are parked in the perpendicular to the road alignment. So this is the width of the road, it is taken as 5.4 meter, whereas the space provided for the parking, it is around 4.5 meter by 2.25 meter, whereas the width it is 2.25 meter. So as the width of the parking is less, so more number of the cars can be accommodated in this space, whereas on the other hand you can see here, so the width of the road, it is reduced from 5.4 meter to 4.5 meter, and in that case we give this parking space provided to be 4.5 meter by 2.7 meter. So the width is increased from 2.25 to 2.7 meter. So as the width of the road parking space, it is increased, so less number of the cars can be accommodated in this place. So this is the variation which is done in the perpendicular parking. So next you have when the cars, they are in the angled parking at an angle of 60 degrees when they are parked, and the road length, it is around 3.75 meters. So in that case the parking length to be provided is 4.5 meter by 2.25 meter. So in that case also you can see that more number of the cars can be parked, as it is an angle given as 60 degrees, and whereas in the case of 3.5 meter width of the road, the parking provided is to be 4.5 meter by 2.5 meter. So here the width of the road, width of the parking space, it is increased from 2.25 to 2.4 meter. So as the width is increased, less number of the cars can be accommodated in this case, and it is a efficient type of the parking provided, as it is in the angle type, so easy turn of the cars can be taken. So here there is an example taken in the two-wheelers, that is a person who is on a bike and a person who is on a bicycle. So here you can see that the length of the person with the bicycle, it is around 3.6 meters, whereas the width of the person, it is with the bicycle, it will be around 6.6 meters, and the person with the bike, it is 2.25 meter. So you can see how much is the space occupied by the person with the bicycle and the bike, and whereas the height of the person with the bike, it is around 1.8 meters, and that with the person on the bicycle, it is around 2.1 meter, and the length of the person with the bike, it is around 2.25 meter, whereas in the cycle we see the person with the cycle, it is around 3.6 meters, whereas the length of the car, it is shown as 3 meters, and the height of the car it is taken as 1.35 meter, and the width of the car it is as 1.45 meter, and the door opening it is shown as 0.95 meters. So the vehicle you can take, you can see here that vehicle which is in a turning path, that is the car when it takes a turn at 180 degrees or at 90 degrees. So what is the radius here you can see here. So suppose the width of the car it is 2.25 meter or 2.5 meter, you can just see the variation over here. It can be increased from 2.5 meter to 2.70 meters. So here also there is a quite increase in the radius of the turning, so that it can be easily turned, right? Even the the length of the car can be accommodated in this curved path of the vehicle. Whereas in the 90 degrees you can see that the width of the car as it will be 2.5 meter, so overall the radius or the curve of the angle which will be 2.5 meter till the turning of the car. So next, the semi-trailer truck, that means the 40 feet wheelbase. So the car it can take a deviation in any direction. So just you can observe the variation in the arc path of the vehicle. So here you can see in the center of the curve there is an increase in the radius, whereas in the single unit truck which is of 20 feet wheelbase, here you can see that the overall the radius of the curve, whichever the width of the car may be, it is around 2.5 meter. So it will be constant throughout the curve of the car. So next is the tracking assessment. Here you can see this is the width which is provided for the parking as W1, whereas in the second case it is W2, that is the width of the space provided overall for the turning of the vehicles and parking of the vehicles. So in the first case the W1 is greater than W2, and in the W1 the width of the parking space it is more as compared to W2. So in that case the width W1 it is less as compared to the B2 in the second case. So as the width of the parking space it is less, more number of the cars can be provided in the 90 degrees parking, whereas on the other hand when the width of the parking it is less and width of the parking space for each car it is more as compared to the first case. So in that case you can see that less number of the cars can be provided or accommodated in the 90 degrees parking. So also this type of the parking it is more efficient, and even here in this case you can have a easy and the safe turning of the vehicles, whereas in this case it will be an efficient parking. It is an efficient type of the parking. Sometimes it may cause a clogging of the vehicles due to the lesser width of the parking space. So next is the you can see here in the picture that the rails and the buffer distance which is left in between the two cars. Here it is 1.1 meter in the each car. The space left is 1.1 meter, and over here also you can see that the ground clearance it will be around 40 to 50 mm, and above that you have the buffer distance that is around 20 to 30 mm. So next, a single garage dimensions. What are the dimensions needed for the single car when it is kept in the garage? So let's see. So you all know the standard dimension of the car. Now the space left for the door, that is it is around 9 feet or 2.7 meter, and the space which is left to the side of the car for opening of the doors it is around 76 centimeter or 2 feet 6 inches, whereas overall the width of the garage which will be around 15 feet, whereas the length of the garage it is around 22 feet. So this is only for a single car parking. So next we have the double garage dimension. As in the first case you had 22 feet, so the overall the length of the parking space for the garage will be 22 feet itself, even for the double garage. Only the length which was provided will be increased to 22 feet. So even the space between the two cars, it is to be left out as 76 centimeter, and even the side margin which is left at the end of the from the wall, it is around 76 centimeter, so that you can easily open the door while getting down. And this whatever the margin is left to the side, it accordingly varies depending upon the use of the building, or the depending upon the structure of the building. Yeah, here are the some of the MCQs given to you. Which type of the parking facility is convenient for all types of the users? First is the curb parking, second is the off-street parking, third is the parallel parking, fourth is the 90-degree parking. So the right answer for this, let's see. Yes, this is the right answer for that. These are the references. Thank you.